crystal are looking fabulous on that Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest, or YouTube pictures. And then in the next few days, and the clients come in, like all of them are kind of falling apart, this bestie will back you up every single times, and I will show you how. So we're gonna start with the condensed glue gels, and this one I'm gonna do, because we're gonna dress it up in like half of the nail, so I'm gonna just doing a part of it. But also, if you are doing the designs on all entire nails, you can apply in completely on the entire nail. So I'm gonna do really good and fixed density, so you don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way. Also, if you are doing a bigger crystal and a lot of more, you might want to edit some more, but you don't want to flood it. And then with the condensed glue gel, if you need extra more, you can add more. But like say if I'm using a little bit more, I feel like I have a little bit more than supposed to, so I'm gonna just getting a little bit thin down. Okay. Okay, it might be too busy under the camera though. Okay, and then don't forget your no wipe top coat. So this, it will be great, super quick, simple, easy techniques for a lot of you. So now when we're doing a floating a top coat, what we are going to do is not only floating on this, we are cap and tie the nails, because you remember that we have a foil earlier. So we're gonna cap and tie the nails, and then I'm gonna start using the Ultimate Crystal Kits, and I love this cutie. So now this is really great charms that you can find from $5 nail art. This is great if you love to drawing your snowflakes like this. Absolutely, if your clients are the fan of painting. But if you are like love crystal design and charms and like really dramatic nails, this gonna be really cool. It has snowflakes, crystal, pearl, and fun thing. So I'm not using one gold one and one silver one, and see how it's gonna turn out. And you can place it pretty much everywhere. It's really cool because it have really nice curves in the back. So when it plays on the C-curve of the nails, it works. So it's wrapped around right on your, like a nail plate. So I'm gonna using this one. Maybe I should move this one right here. I think. I was trying to get.
Don't worry about it. Keep going.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Here you go. That's how it happened when you do live. But it's okay. We are going to add. Move that one here, and then here you go. Okay, I'm gonna using this. Maybe I should do. Should I do the champagne one? I was thinking of a baby with that design. Maybe I should do this one. What you think?
Yeah, go for it.
You're like, okay. I'm gonna add randomly. I love that it have all different designs. So I'm gonna add this randomly of this, like kind of look like a champagne colors. And this one is basically you freestyle. So when you place the centerpiece it, and then if you want any of really cute shape you want to add it on, do so. And then you are going to using any of the SS filler. You see that how I place them really close tight together, and then you can just continue doing the rest of them. So I'm finding a really cute, perfect right here. And then you can filling the SS smaller along the edges. Right there. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and do the next one. And then get a bigger one. It's great. It comes from size SS3 all the way to SS20. So I have all of fun different ideas to add this one on. You can go with smallers, bigger, and like that one. I want to add just some smaller one, and then you can fill in with the beads too. This one will give the clients a really cool. Oh, this one is really cool. Let me see if I can get the bigger one. Of not only holiday nails, also is great for the New Year's nail as well. I like that. I don't look that snowflake is standing out there. And I'm gonna feel the SS, about SS8. It's really cool. You can get a variety of different SS in this. And now I'm gonna go in with the smaller SS4, SS3. And then if you want to add the beads on, you can do the beads between the crystal and between the crystal and the frame. I love that the outline of the illuminating. So now I'm gonna adding some beads. And the great thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is already does it works. So what it does now, you have all the time in the world to adjusting your crystal placement until you are going to cure. So you can able to add some more crystal bead frame without worry about them getting like dry out or cure. So I'm gonna fill in between. Get all the gap. I just want to blend completely these nails out, and I'm so freaking happy with this. And then before you are going to cure, I am go ahead and wipe it off on the edges to make sure that all of the extra will be removed using the dot tool on the other end and adjusting them. I want to make sure they stay in nice frame of the nails. Okay, and we're gonna wipe off the residues later. All right, so we're happy with this. We are going to cure this one for 60 seconds. Great. Here you go. Oh, I like it a lot though. Cool. So cure for 60 seconds.